If you've ever used a stapler, you'll want to see this video. Hey guys, my name's Ed Choi. Thank you for joining me today. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. In this channel, I talk about everything to do with the office, and today we're talking staplers. Now, you'll say there's not much to know about a stapler. You just press it down, it staples, easy peasy. But there are a couple of cool tricks on a stapler that you'll want to know. Number one, the anatomy of a stapler. What we're going to be talking today is about this little emoji here. Kind of reminds me of an emoji. This here, my friends, is called the strike plate. I'm sure that you guys have been using staplers ever since you're a kid. What nobody's probably taught you is that there's two ways of stapling, believe it or not. So the first way is just a staple. You're gonna take it, staple, boom. You'll have the nice staple over here, as you guys can see. Now, if you've ever noticed on the back of a stapler, you'll see a little button that looks like this. If you press on the button, it actually allows you to swivel the plate from one end to another end. So what is the point of having this little strike plate on here? What I'm gonna show you guys today is something called pinning. Now I'm gonna take the side of the paper and I'll staple it right here. And you'll notice the difference here. This is a regular staple over here, and this is the pinned version. This is when the strike plate was changed 180. So rather than using a paper clip, for example, where sometimes the paper just slips off a paper clip, this is a little bit more permanent, but less permanent than a staple. So it's really easy to remove. You'll notice that the staple kind of goes outwards when it's pinned. And all you have to do is bring the staples inside like this and move everything upwards and remove it, and boom, it's done. So it's super easy. So that's the difference between stapling and pinning. Stapling is more of a permanent thing and pinning is more of a temporary. So there you go, guys. Give it a try. The difference between pinning and stapling. Now that it's almost back to school, you might want to show your kids how to use this if they still use paper, which I'm sure they do. All right, guys, if you found this video useful, please give me a big thumbs up. If you have any comments or any questions about anything to do with the office, leave a comment down below. And of course, if you like this video, please consider subscribing. Your support is much appreciated, and I'll see you guys next time.